In this video, I will show you how to order a 4 feet wide and 6 feet height banner with 2-inch pole pockets at the top bottom. Let's get started. To order the banner, you have to visit the vinyl banner product and select the banner size you want. Select size from here. Open the drop-down, and you will get a lot of default size options. Here we will enter a custom width and height according to our needs. We are taking 4 feet wide and 6 feet height. This is going to be a one-sided banner. Now to choose your pole pocket size, you have to select banner finishing options. You can choose to reinforce the edges of your banner. You can select grommets. For pole pocket options we offer 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch pockets. Here we will select 2-inch pole pockets on top and bottom. The rope insert option is disabled as you cannot order rope inserts with pole pockets. Select the artwork option. Proofing option. Select turnaround. Enter the job name and select the quantity you want to order. Click Add to Cart and place your order.